Because this is the nation's 250th birthday, and I was around at the 200th birthday, the Bicentennial, and Nebraska celebrated that Bicentennial by installing abstract sculptures at several of the rest stops along Interstate 80. So I thought, in celebration of this year's anniversary, I would do a series of pieces on the various sculptures and my reactions to them. Two of those sculptures, Irma's Desire at Grand Island and Up Over at Roscoe, were the subject of either a section or a whole chapter in one of my books, Keith County Journal or Back in Keith County. So for this summer, what I've decided to do is go around to all of the remaining sculptures and take some photographs and video and put together the series of pieces. So over the next month, you can join me as I travel up and down Nebraska's interstate and take pictures and video of this incredible 400-mile sculpture garden.